Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir. So, in this occasion, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Shambril from Meteorology class up to B. So, today I'm going to explain this image as an excitement for an English class. So, this image is with the title of Biofuel Production How Ethanol is Made. So it's basically shows how the process of producing ethanol from biomass and how this process relates to the carbon cycle. So let's follow to the flow. The first one is plants and trees grow. It all begins with the growth of plants and trees. They absorb energy from sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air through photosynthesis here. So this is the initial step to produce biomass. Next one, after the plants and trees grow, it will be harvesting. This can be various types of biomass such as corn, sugarcane, or other lignocellulosic biomass. After that, it will be pre-processing. The harvested biomass then undergoes a pre-processing stage. This might involve size reduction, drying, or other initial treatments to prepare it for the next steps. During this stage, some carbon dioxide can be released into the atmosphere here. And next is cellulose. So the result of from the pre-processing stage is cellulose, the main component of plant cell walls. And next, after the cellulose, it will be processing. This cellulose is then further processed in a processing facility. This involves breaking down the cellulose into simpler components. And after the processing, it will be turned into sugars. From the breakdown of cellulose, simple sugars are produced here after the processing stage. The sugar produced, and then after that is microbes added. Here, microbes added. These sugars are then fermented by adding microbes like yeast or bacteria. So these microbes will convert the sugars into ethanol here. After the microbes added, it will be convert the sugars into the ethanol. So the final product of this image is actually showing how to produce ethanol. The final product of this fermentation is absolutely ethanol. This ethanol can then be used as a fuel. So the ethanol use and carbon dioxide release after the ethanol is produced, this ethanol is then used as a fuel for transportation such as cars, trucks, and airplanes. When the ethanol is burned, it releases carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. So as a summary, this image shows how ethanol is produced from biomass and how this process aims to create a more sustainable carbon cycle. So that's all I want to say. Thank you so much. If there's anything wrong I've done to say during this presentation about how ethanol is made, I'm really sorry about that. So thank you so much, sir. Good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.